focus on your value first. If yung value mo is pang 6-figure na, sinasabi ko sa'yo, darating talaga yan. Hahabulin ka rin yan. Hi, I'm Glaze Gonzalez. I talk about things in my life that I do not the usual way. Maybe career, love life, finances, faith, whatever. If you're someone who's also not so comfy or ayaw na ng status quo, ng mga basic things in life, ng mga how it's supposed to be done. Gusto mo mag-explore, alam mo na hindi yun para sa'yo, and you just want different things in life. Magkakasundo tayo, let's chika about it. Hi, I'm Glaze. Welcome to Life with Glaze, where we talk about doing things not in the usual way. This series is about doing freelance work or VA work. One of the things that I always hear and that's always talked about is about the income. So I'm here right now to talk to you about the reality. Well, at least my reality, okay? Kasi baka maraming magalit. So I will talk about things based on my experience. Ang dami kasi talagang content ngayon, ang daming nagsasabi. And even if nung nagsisimula pa lang ako ng course ko and all that, so lagi napapag-usapan yung about income. Siyempre, favorite naman talaga ng mga taong pag-usapan yan. Bakit? Siyempre nga naman, no? If you're doing something, lalo na kung work, siyempre gusto mo naman worth yung effort mo. Diba? Sobrang controversial kasi ang dami nagsasabi, okay, if you do this, 6-figure income, just to clear things up. Ito yung kailangan natin tandaan. Ang income kasi, kahit naman sa ang industry, bago mo makuha yung malaking income, meron tayong tinatawag na ano ba yung value na nalagay mo sa marketplace. Ano ba ang value na binibring in mo? Kasi, yun naman na nagde-define ng income mo. Lalo na kung business or freelance. For me, siguro, ang masasabi ko dyan is, you focus first on yourself. Yung value na mabibigay mo. When I started, yes, okay naman talaga yung income. Pero depende kasi, yung malaki or maliit na income, it's very subjective, right? Kaya nga ako, I really don't divulge then about my income. Kasi, syempre, iba-iba naman talaga tayo, diba? Iba-iba tayo ng season, iba-iba tayo ng pangangailangan, iba-iba tayo ng skills, iba-iba yung value na nilalagay natin sa marketplace. And besides, iba-iba rin yung choice and decision na ginagawa natin in life. So siguro, kung ako yung tatanungin nyo, ang masasabi ko lang is, I'm earning naman ng sapat. Okay? And praise God, thank God, kasi more than sapat naman sa everyday needs ko. But, kung paano ako nakarating dito, I really started from scratch. Dun sa podcast industry at least ha. So yes, meron na akong skills na naipasok. So yun yung naging gateway ko. I'm a writer, so syempre, I'm paid ng tama naman, reasonable kung ano yung ginagawa ko. I started sa podcast industry na talaga namang zero skills. But I'm very grateful, I'm very blessed that I was paid reasonably naman. At least sa paningin ko, okay? Again, I'm talking about my experience. Yun yung mapapayo ko. Focus on your value, on your skills. Grow it, develop it, improve it, your attitude, your character, i-grow mo yung sarili mo. Because I'm telling you, dadating sa time na yung income talaga hahabol yan sa value na binibigay mo. Yun yung nangyari sa akin eh. Naalala ko yun when I was starting my course, yung podcast editing course. Grabe, ang dami talaga nagtatanong yung about income. And honestly, akin lang naman to. Very weird for me yun. Kasi, di ba, bakit income agad yung tinatanong mo? Siyempre, malamang magkaiba tayo ng experience. Ganun eh, iba-iba eh. So, for me, if you're starting out pa lang, huwag ka muna mag-focus dun sa income. Alam ko, may pangangailangan tayo. Kaya nga, kung pwede namang hindi mo muna iwan yung full-time work mo or whatever you're doing right now where you get your income na sumasagot sa mga pangangailangan mo, I don't advise na iwanan mo yan. So, you do this on the side, i-build mo muna, unti-unti, until such time na kaya na niyang palitan. Kung gusto mo mang palitan yung pinanggagalingan ng full-time income mo. So, for example, sa akin, I started with 1 client, naging 4, naging 8, naging 10. It took time. Huwag kang mainip Be patient with yourself. Ewan ko, ako kasi hindi talaga ako mahilig makinig sa sinasabi ng kung sino-sino. I'm really just focused on myself, ano yung ginagawa ko, ano yung mga kailangan kong gawin. If I say na saturation is a myth for me, competition is also a myth for me. Ewan ko, yun lang yung mindset ko. Para sa akin, wala akong competition. Naalala ko, may nagtanong sa akin yan, na parang, oh, ang dami mo nang tinuruan, na itinuro mo na, shinare mo na yung skill mo, ede, ang dami mo nang kalaban. Hindi kasi ako ganun mag-isip. And I think tama naman ako. Kasi hanggang ngayon, di ba, wala naman. Hindi ko naman na-feel na meron akong competition. Marami pa rin naman akong client, dami pa rin inquiries. And I continue to teach people and train people para, ma-share yung skill ko. And if interesado sila and ma-love nila rin what I'm doing, they could also earn for themselves. Di ba? Possible ba? 6-figure income? Oo naman. Yun nga focus on your value first. If yung value mo is pang 6-figure na, sinasabi ko sa'yo, darating talaga yan. Hahabulin ka rin yan. 6-figure income na yan. But before mangyari yon, marami ka munang kailangan i-work on yourself. Yes, your skill, your attitude, lagi ko sinasabi yan, kasama yan. Character development. So, kasama yan sa worth mo in the marketplace. I remember na rinig ko to sa favorite movie ko. Ewan ko nakita nyo na yun. Ang title niya, 3 Idiots. It's an Indian movie. So, parang sinabi doon nung main character, sabi niya, focus on excellence. And then, success will chase you. Pants down. Yun parang so funny. Nakarelate ako sobra doon. Yun din yung mindset ko that I will focus talaga on myself, sa value, improving myself. And in fairness, ganun nga yung nangyari, diba? So, lahat yan. Opportunities, clients, kung i-improve mo talaga yung sarili mo, increase mo yung value mo, mag-grow ka, susunod talaga yan sa'yo. Okay? So, parang paulit-ulit ako, pero yun talaga yung totoo. So, if you wanna learn more about this, so subscribe lang in my channel. You can follow me rin sa Instagram or TikTok Life with Glaze. If you have any questions, just drop it and then I will answer it as much as I can. Okay? So, bye!